It's more than 2,000 years ago, ancient India, long before calculators, long before computers, before clocks measured seconds, and before numbers made sense. As the sun sets over dusty towns and stone temples, scholars sit beside oil lamps. Palm leaf manuscripts lie open. Ink stains their fingers. They are trying to answer a question so small, it almost feels invisible. How do you count nothing? Merchants can count cows. They can count coins. But when a storehouse is empty, their numbers fail. Astronomers track planets across the sky. They predict eclipses. But when a value disappears in a calculation, there is no way to write it. Mathematicians are stuck. How do you write absence? Across the world, civilizations are rising. In Rome, numbers are carved in stone. I, V, X, L, C strong, permanent. But there is no symbol for nothing. In Greece, numbers are philosophy, ideas, ratios, harmony, but still, no zero. Empires are being built, yet all of them are missing the same thing. Something invisible, something powerful. In India, mathematics is different. Numbers are not just symbols, they are ideas, and one idea refuses to be ignored. Shunya, void, emptiness, nothingness. But in Indian thought, emptiness is not meaningless, it is potential. Around the 5th century, an Indian mathematician sits quietly, working through calculations. He notices something strange. When you subtract a number from itself, you get nothing. But that nothing behaves consistently. It's not chaos. It follows patterns. Slowly, carefully, a symbol appears. At first, just an empty space, then a dot. Later, a small circle. Not a number like the others, but something new, zero. At first, it feels dangerous. How can nothing be something? What happens if merchants cheat? If astronomers miscalculate? If a symbol breaks the universe? So the idea spreads slowly, quietly, from teacher to student, from manuscript to manuscript. One of the great minds of this era is Aryabhata. In 499 AD, Aryabhata introduces a powerful idea, the place value system. A number's value now depends on its position. But Aryabhata does not define zero as a number. He leaves an empty place, and that empty place matters. More than a century later, the final step is taken. A mathematician named Brahmagupta. Year 628 AD. Brahmagupta does something radical. He gives zero rules. Zero plus a number is the number. A number minus itself is zero. A number multiplied by zero becomes zero. For the first time in history, nothing has laws. And once something has rules, it becomes real. Astronomy changes first. Planetary movements become accurate. Eclipses can be predicted. Then mathematics changes. 10 is no longer just 10. It is 1, followed by 0. Large numbers become simple. Infinity feels reachable. Merchants notice next. Accounts become clearer. Trade becomes faster. Zero travels quietly with traders across deserts and oceans. From India to Arabia. Arabic scholars call it cipher. From cipher comes cipher. From cipher comes code. Europe resists at first. Zero feels suspicious, dangerous. But Roman numerals are slow. Zero is efficient, and efficiency always wins. Zero enters Europe. Mathematics explodes. Algebra, calculus, physics. Then centuries later, electricity, computers, binary, on, off, 1, 0. Every smartphone, every satellite, every bank transaction, every AI system, built on zero. The symbol that once meant nothing, now runs everything. And here's the irony. The most powerful invention in human history was not fire, not the wheel, not a weapon. It was nothing. A circle, an idea. Aryabhata laid the foundation with the place value system, but Brahmagupta formally defined zero as a number. And that's how zero changed the world. Not loudly, not violently, but quietly, like all the greatest inventions do. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.